Hey, so you wanna make your iPhone 11 vibrate even when the ringer is turned off? So let's go through the settings you need to turn on to make your iPhone vibrates properly. So first thing, you have to open up your settings app and go to accessibility. Now here you have to choose touch option. Now scroll all the way down and then you will find this vibration option. So here you must have to turn it on if it's off. So if it doesn't work only, the next thing you have to do, go to your settings again and then scroll down to sounds and haptics. And then after haptics, make sure play in silent mode is selected. So this allows your iPhone to vibrate while the silent switch is actually enabled. And now tap ringtone, then tap haptics at the top and make sure vibration pattern is selected. So if you want a stronger vibration, tap create new vibration and tap the screen to create your own custom patterns. And right after this, you have to give it a name and then tap to save. So now your custom haptics is prepared. So after making these changes, put your iPhone in silent mode and test it with a call or notification. So that's it. Hopefully your iPhone 11 should now vibrate properly while it's in silent mode. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for your time.